Hi guys, this is Chelsea Baker, professional cosmetologist of 5 years. Today I'm going to show you how to use Benefit Highbrow Pencil. Let's get started. So to use the Benefit pencil, it's very simple. You're just going to take it and apply it underneath the eyebrow, following the eyebrow to the outside. Just going to want to apply it nice and generous. This is going to draw light to the eye and help define the brow and the eye. And then you can take it and just kind of blend it with your finger a little bit if you see any lines. And you can just see it really lighting up the face. It's very, very pretty look to add for your eyeliner in place of light eyeshadow. And there you go. And that's how you use Benefit Highbrow Pencil. If you have any more beauty questions, feel free to ask. See you next time.